Welcome back to our Sailrite workbench. Today we're going to be walking through our Sailrite foam sample box. We know how important it is to choose the right materials for your DIY project, and there's truly no better way to choose the right foam than by feeling it. So that's why we highly recommend purchasing this sample box. It is the best way to test each foam type so that you can be confident when deciding on which foam to choose for your application. This box contains a 6" by 6" sample of each type of CushionRite foam that we offer here at Sailrite, which will give you an accurate representation of each foam firmness and feel. Each box comes with this helpful flyer that explains each foam type and its qualities. So today we're going to be walking through this with you. The first category of foam we have is Premium CushionRite. We have 5 different firmnesses of premium: extra soft, soft, medium, firm, and extra firm. It also comes in a range of thicknesses from 1" to 6". Premium is the best choice for a long-lasting indoor foam intended for everyday use. In fact, CushionRite Premium can last up to 12 years. Its density provides excellent support, making it ideal for couches and sofas in your home, automotive seating, and cabin seating and mattresses on your boat. Some CushionRite Premium foam is antimicrobial and may be used for marine upholstery or partially protected outdoor cushions. You can refer to the foam product pages for more information on that. The next category we have is CushionRite Standard. We offer 3 firmnesses: soft, medium, and firm. We offer this foam in a thickness range of 1 to 6". This is the standard foam used by most boat manufacturers. It's an excellent choice for marine upholstery and partially protected outdoor cushions. The antimicrobial properties mean that it can stand up to moisture and resist mold and mildew growth. It's recommended for occasional use and not for high-traffic environments where durability is most important. In those types of areas, you would want to consider CushionRite Premium. Third, we have flotation foam. We offer this foam in a 1/2" and 1.5" thickness. This foam is designed for flotation gear and marine cushions. Because the cells are closed, it absorbs practically no water or moisture. Its unique properties also resist weather aging and abrasion, as well as dampening noise and vibration. It's an excellent choice for cockpit cushions, life jackets, foam flotation pads, and bosun chairs. Flotation foam can be used as the bottom layer for mattresses. On to our 4th type of foam, Dry Fast. We offer soft, medium, and firm, as well as a thickness range of 2" to 4". Dry Fast is a great quality open cell foam, also known as reticulated foam, with a solid, firm feel. The open pores allow for water and air to pass through, making Dry Fast a great choice for marine and outdoor applications where you want your cushions to dry out quickly. Plus, its antimicrobial properties resist mold and mildew growth. It's ideal for occasional use such as cockpit cushions and outdoor patio furniture. It is also ideal for wet boats or where foam breathability is more important than product life. Now onto our 5th and final foam, Sew Foam. Sew Foam comes in 1/4" and 1/2" thicknesses. The fabric backing holds stitches so that you can sew through the foam to create pleats or channeling. In addition to upholstery, it can be used for headliners, helm seats, and motorcycle, pontoon, and powerboat seats. It is not a substitute for cushion foam. It is a way to pad and soften hard edges or add texture to seating, which is often used for diamond stitching. This sample box also comes with a sample of polyester batting in 1/4" and 1/2" sizes. This batting is non-allergenic and mildew resistant, and is designed to keep cushions plump and protected. The batting fills up cushion edges and removes fabric wrinkles for a soft, rounded appearance. It also drains well and helps protect the foam inside from UV rays. The last thing this box offers is a sample of Cushion Wrap Silk Film. This noiseless plastic film makes it easy to insert foam into a cushion cover. Simply wrap the silk film around your foam and slip it into your cover, or use a vacuum to shrink the foam before inserting it into your cover. Designed to be silent under fabric, silk film is also an excellent moisture barrier for outdoor cushions. There's truly no better way to choose the right foam for your project than with this sample box. To make it easy to get yours, we've gone ahead and linked it in the description below, as well as a few other helpful resources for choosing the right foam. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to our channel so that you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos. And lastly, are you guys doing any DIY projects that involve foam? If you are, let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you guys next time.